Ek sit hier langs jou, but we don't say a word. Die stilte tussen ons, it's louder than it should. Jou hand lê naby, but you don't reach for me. Dis soos ons albei bang is vir wat ons sien. I know we're not the same as before, maar iets van jou hou my nog hier for sure. Ons breek nie hart nie, net stadig stil, like a fire that's fading but burning still. En ek weet, we both feel the weight, maar ek loop nie weg, net oor het complicated raak nie. Al is dit moeilik, even when it's tearing me apart inside. Ons is nie perfect nie, but that don't mean we have to say goodbye. Ek sal bly, even when I don't understand. Ek sal bly, when it's slipping through my hands. Al is dit moeilik, I choose you again and again. Ons praat van los, but we're holding on aan klein goed wat nog voel soos home. Die lag wat kom when we least expect reminds me why I just can't forget. Maybe love ain't always like, maybe it's staying when you wanna say goodbye. As you fall, I'll fall with you, rather that than starting new.